Happy day 4, everyone. I hope you're sticking with me, and so far you feel like you are staying focused with your intention, your heart and your hips are open, and that your core maybe is a little bit sore from yesterday. So today we're gonna keep building on this series with our detox practice. So you're gonna notice a lot of twisting. So now that you have fired up your stomach, this should feel good, and you should feel ready to do this movement as well. You're gonna notice that as we twist left side and right side that you're gonna feel differences, so stay with me if you can, and if you need a break, feel free to take it. From our seated position, we're gonna come into deep yogi squat, so it's called malasana. So widen your feet, and for those of you that are new to practice, take your block, which I'll show you, and you can slide it 3 different variations, so that'd be the second height or the lower height, underneath your tailbone if you need it, and then press your triceps into your legs and lift your chest forward. So start to feel your hips open as you elevate your heart. Take a big full inhale. And we're gonna reach out through our right arm, placing our tricep inside the leg. And then inhale, raise our left arm way up into the sky, opening the chest. Take this top left arm, place it at your lower back, and then peel your shoulder bone open for me. Good, keep your hand down, or take your bind if your shoulders are open behind your back, and then lift your chest just a hair more for me. Pull your knees apart, find your breath, and then inhale, reach both arms back out. Exhale the hands back to center. Second side, so extend out through the left palm. Inhale, raise your right arm. Place the hand at the lumbar spine, open the chest and shoulder, or you can find your bind. If you can't find the bind, don't worry about it. Please keep your hand on the earth. Roll your shoulder open, take a big inhale, and then exhale, return back to center. As the hands meet the heart, inhale, lift your chest forward, and then exhale, place your hands down, wide-legged forward bend. So your feet are a little bit wider than normal, and your head is lowering, and then allow it to shift from side to side. Move your block out of the way if you are using one. Slowly bring your feet together so they almost touch, but not all the way. And then inhale, rise all the way to stand. Reach your arms over the head. Exhale, interlace your fingers behind the back. Lift your chest. And then exhale, fold forward, opening up your shoulders. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Release your hands to the earth. Halfway lift your spine. We're gonna step our left foot all the way back. Hold your lunge as you lift your chest forward, ground your left hand. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, slowly lower the right hand. Inhale, raise your left arm up. Slowly lower the left hand, drop down through your back knee. Place your right hand at your low back, raise your left arm up. Good, left arm extends forward, look over the right shoulder as you open the chest. Take a big inhale here, and then exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Stretch out your hamstring, walk your toes forward. Straighten your front leg and fold. Feel these big muscles start to open and breathe, and then gently rebend the front knee, pick up your back knee, and then gently step into high plank. Chaturanga, lower your heart forward. Inhale, lift your chest up, and then come to tabletop, hands and knees. Raise your right arm way up into the air, and then thread the needle, extend your arm underneath the body, so feel this twist in the upper back, and then take your top arm, reach it over the head, nice long stretch. Look underneath the armpit, and then open your chest a little bit more, and then take a deep breath in, and a deep breath out. Slide your left hand back into place. Inhale, extend your right arm up to the sky. Exhale, release. Press back to downward facing dog. Inhale as you breathe in. Exhale as you breathe out. Jump forward, so bend the knees and hop. Lift halfway. And then open up your feet about a foot. Sink down into your hips as you start to feel your hips work for your chair pose. So just pulse it up and down here for 3, 2, and then on your breath out, bow forward, tailbone to the sky. Inhale, rise all the way up, big back bend. Feet come a little closer, interlace the fingers again. Inhale, open the heart, and then again, fold forward on your breath out. So notice with these constant forward folds, these binds, The power and effort in each pose, you're getting a little bit warmer and you're feeling your body open all throughout. Release your hands, lift halfway, and then we'll take our right foot and we'll step it back. Place the right hand down. Inhale, raise your left arm to the sky and twist, stack your shoulders. Exhale, lower your left hand down. Inhale, raise your right arm high and stack your shoulders. Look all the way up at your fingertips. Exhale, bring your hand back down to the ground, lower your back knee. Left hand at your lower back. Inhale, raise your right arm high. Exhale, you're gonna bring your right arm forward, look over your left shoulder, and then open your chest. 3, squeeze your legs together. 2, cartwheel your hands down. Now let's walk our toes forward. Exhale, straighten out your front leg. As you do that, bow over your shin and just breathe slowly in and out, finding your breath. 3, 2, slowly rebend the front knee, curl your back toes, come into high plank. Chaturanga as you lower. Inhale up, and then back to your hands and knees. We'll raise our left arm to the sky, so inhale, peel it open. Exhale, thread it through. Inhale, raise your right arm up, reach it over the head, big stretch, and then open up the chest and breathe here. Take your time, work into your back. Use this twist to your advantage. Bring the right hand back in place. Inhale, raise the left arm over the head, big stretch, and then slowly bring it down. We'll raise our hips to down dog. Inhale through the nose, exhale out. Step the right foot forward. Inhale, pull your heart forward and breathe. And then again, keep the left hand down. Inhale, raise the right arm up. Exhale, right hand down. Raise your left arm up. Reach. Exhale, both hands down. Lower the back knee. This time, raise both arms to the sky. Bring the hands to heart center. Twist to your right. So cross your tricep over your leg and then look over the back shoulder. If you can, pick up the back knee. Lift your belly as well. 3, squeeze your legs. 2, exhale, drop the back knee down. Inhale, raise both arms high into the air, big stretch up. Exhale, release your fingertips down to the earth. Slowly from here, pick up the back knee and then pivot to the inside of both your feet, so to your left. Halfway lift your spine and lengthen, and then exhale, fold. So noticing this wide-legged fold and this huge stretch along the back of your legs and into your low back. Inhale, lift and lengthen again. Exhale, pivot forward. And then we'll step back to our plank. Lower through your chaturanga. Inhale, heart forward and up. And then exhale, back to your down dog. We'll step our left foot forward this time, so take a step in between the hands. And then again, raise your left arm, twist. Place your left hand down. Inhale, raise your right arm and twist. Place your hand down, and then very slowly lower the back knee down. Inhale, raise your arms high into the sky as your hips come forward. Hands at heart center. Twist to your left. Rotate as you twist, and then really open up, look over the back shoulder. Breathe in, and then if you want, curl the back toes, raise the knee. Good, squeeze the inner thighs, roll your gaze all the way up for 3, 2, and then slowly put the back knee down. Release the hands down. From there, pick up your back knee when you're ready. Exhale, high plank. Lower chaturanga. Inhale up, pull your heart forward. Exhale back. Take a full inhale and a full exhale. Look forward, step or jump. Halfway lift and lengthen your spine. And then exhale, fold forward. Bend your knees with open feet for chair. So just like a squat, reach up to the sky. Exhale, slowly place the left hand in between your feet. Use a block if you need to, which I'll demonstrate right here. And then inhale, raise your right arm. Exhale, switch, right hand down. Inhale, left arm up. Switch again, left hand down. Inhale, right arm up. Left or right hand down, inhale, left arm up. One more time, lower the left. Inhale, raise the right. Keep your hips low, lower the right, inhale, raise the left. If your block is there, get it out of the way, and then inhale, chair. Pulse, 3, 2, and then exhale to fold forward on 1. Nice job, guys. Take your feet a little bit closer together, slowly bend your knees, and then have a seat. So I want you to apply by squeezing your legs and hugging everything together and really feel this really tight space that you can have in your body. Squeeze, 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 and then slowly release all those muscles. Good, breathe in and breathe out. Big breath in, big breath out. Now cross your shins. So you're gonna scoot your booty back so just your shins cross. And this is gonna feel really uncomfortable for some of you, so go ahead and just kind of pick up your booty, get out of the way. Sit up nice and tall. And you're gonna notice this foot on mine, my top foot doesn't go down, and that's okay. Hinge forward and just feel this top leg pressing onto your bottom leg. Find your breath in and find your breath out. From there, slowly, slowly come up and then just switch. So I'm gonna lay my right shin down, my left shin on top. It's gonna feel funky, sit up nice and tall, and then fold in. And it doesn't feel comfortable per se, but you're gonna notice these small pressures that you're pressing into your shins from one to the other. A nice little release for your body. Inhale, slowly come out of that. Exhale, if it was tight and hurting, relax it out, and then lay down onto your backs for me. Bring your right knee with me as you lay down. Hug it. Spinal twist, pull the knee across the body, scoot your hips to the right as your knee goes left. Look over your right shoulder as you twist. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. One more time, breathe in and breathe out. Bring the knee back to center. Squeeze. Scoot your hips back to center. Left knee tight. Left knee is going to go to the right, so pick up the hips, scoot it, and then look over the shoulder. You can extend the arm or bend it, whichever one feels better for you. For 3, 2, and come back to center on 1. We're gonna finish with our legs to the sky. So great detox pose to allow our blood to flow to different aspects of the body, apply freshly oxygenated blood, start to roll through the ankles. As the feet stay lifted, if you feel comfortable here, stay. You can prop a block under your butt, or you can also put your legs up a wall. So a very therapeutic release. Take 3 deep breaths. Hands can be at your belly or by your sides. 2 more. And then let the knees fall to the belly. Grab the shins with both hands, hug it in. Sit up nice and tall. Thank yourself so much for all of your efforts. And then I look forward to another day together tomorrow. Thanks, guys.